All right, y'all, back with another classic today. 1970 Lincoln Continental. This thing is clean, and as you can see, we got a new set of wheels on her as well. So stay tuned, take her on the test drive, get her on the rack, and go all around. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. First off, we do want to show we got a brand new set of 96 spoke cross laces on here with the Vogue tires. We normally do 150s, sometimes 80s. I think these 96s look great on here. Moving around the exterior is in really great condition. Single stage paint. I'm not seeing any like big dents, scratches, or anything. Coming along, all the trim is intact. The emblems are intact. All the trim around the windows, and the windshield is solid as well. We don't have any cracks or anything there. And I like this top too. Top is in real good condition. No heavy staining or anything like that. Take these shoes off so we ain't gonna hear this squeaking. Coming along the rear, again, all the trim is intact, emblems, and she appears to be pretty straight as well. Trunk is nice and solid. Rear window, all the trim is intact. She's good. Of course, see that Continental with the Lincoln emblem. Bumper itself is solid too. No pitting, no rust, no dents. Nothing to point out there. Coming along the driver's side, she appears to be straight on this side too. All the trim is intact. Looks like there was like a scratch here with a little touch-up paint. Again, you don't see it from here, but you see it once you get up on it. Like I said, the top shows very well. It's in good condition. And all the chrome. Looking at the hood, we don't have any rock chips or anything. So you can tell this car was well taken care of. All the chrome shows very well in the front grille. All the slats are there. Headlights do work as well as far as flipping up. So yeah, she's super solid. Let me look under here. And grab the keys so that we can look at the trunk. Somebody left the lights on. Hopefully this thing don't die. Trunk is in excellent condition. Doesn't look like there's ever been anything back here. We don't have any stains or anything like that. Still got the spare tire. All the carpet is good. Not gonna pull too much of it. Actually, I might not pull. Let's see. Yeah, because it's all screwed down, so I'm not gonna pull anything up. But we'll look at the floors underneath once it's up. In a second, let me pop the hood. We can check out underneath it. All right, under the hood, super clean. Of course, it's running the big 460. Clean underneath. All the paint is solid. Still got the insulation and everything intact. AC, heat, power brakes, power steering. Everything is working. Like I said, this thing is super clean. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. So as you see, interior, I think this color is beautiful. It shows very well. Let me see. There we go. So looking at the back seat, we have no rips, no tears, no stains of any kind. Carpet is in excellent condition as well. And all the windows work. Headliner is good as well. Don't have any sagging or any stains. Front seat, door panel in great condition. All the trim is intact. Door jambs, no rust running underneath. And looking at the dash is in good condition. We don't have any cracks, no distress of any kind. All the lights work in here, and we'll verify the gauges when we go on the test drive. Driver's seat, solid. Let's go check out the passenger. Just gotta unlock the door first. Alright, passenger side, same as the driver. No issues here with the door panels. And underneath, and the jam's clean. Passenger seat the same, again, no rips, no tears, no distress of any kind. And the carpet is solid all the way around. Like I said, this is a super clean interior. I'll probably give it like a 9.5 to be honest. So comment below, let me know what you think as far as this color combination. Stay tuned, we're going to... Alright y'all, so we go ahead and get ready for the test drive in the Continental. I had a feeling it was gonna be dead, but it was just enough juice. So when I got in, I saw the lights were still on. Let's see. The lights are on, I can see them reflecting, and I can hear the vacuum, you know, to open them up. Let's see. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Radio does work. Yeah, radio works. I can hear the speakers, so we're good there. And let's see the wipers. I hear the blower. Let me see what I'm doing. Ah, there we go. Wipers good. Hopefully it stopped. Let me roll up these windows. A little bit dirty because it was raining, so that water got up in there. But like I said, windows work and everything. No horn. We'll check all the gauges. Mileage reads 75,969. And we'll check everything on the test drive to see if anything changes with the gauges. I can already tell you, I know this thing just floats. Like these big Lincolns, just like them big Cadillacs, they just float. And I can feel it in the steering wheel already. Got to turn 4 times just to make it around this corner. Throttle response is nice though. Alright. Yeah, she's good and smooth. Let's see. Brakes feel good. Let me see. Steering wheel looks like it needs to be clocked. I don't think it's an alignment issue. I'm gonna check once we get here. Alright, so hands off the steering wheel. She's tracking straight with no issues, but you can see the steering wheel is clocked. Like I said, she's turned. Got a little bit of play, but again, that's to be expected for these big 70s style cars. They meant to be luxurious, not have super tight steering. As far as ride, she is floating. Shocks, all of that. I don't think any of that is new, but like I said, she's just floating down the road as you would expect. I'll give it a little bit of gas once I get by this car. Speedometer is working. It's showing close to 40, which is about accurate. We'll see if the temperature and everything has come up by the time we get back. She is tracking straight though. Like I said, I'm not hearing any squeaks. I'm not bouncing all over the road. And I'm not feeling any air coming in either, so the weather seals are good around the windows. Gas is reading half full. I'm not sure if that's accurate or not, because we normally put about 40 in, and I doubt it would have held 80, but we do premium as well, so maybe. oil pressure hasn't changed. The voltage is still reading in the middle where it should, and the temperature hasn't changed. So I think I've been driving enough that it would just up a little bit. So I'm not sure 100% if that's working or not. Not too big of an issue. And that was kind of a big dip right there, and no scrub or anything with these 20s on there. So like I said, she's riding good. The motor is nice and quiet, even though it has big power too. So all right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna throw it on the rack and we'll get up underneath it. All right, y'all, so we got the 70 up on the rack. Starting with the rear, you can see the bumper is in good condition. Again, we don't have any rust or dents or anything. A couple little scuff marks here, but somebody probably just backed over something. As far as the trunks and the gas tank, it looks like it's actually been painted under here. Trunk pans look super solid though, they did a good job. And then the gas tank as well. Trying to get up a little bit deeper as far as the floors, it looks super solid. We got drum brakes in the rear. Just your basic shocks and springs on the suspension. Frame appears to be super solid all the way through. I have no welds, dents, or anything like that, so it appears to be original. Pans themselves are good. We have no soft spots or no rust, and driver side looks exactly the same, as well as the frames themselves. Moving up, I just came off the test drive. I see no drips or anything from the oil pan or the transmission pan itself. Of course, it was wet outside, so we got a little bit of water underneath, but no leaks itself. Disc brakes up in the front, and just your normal shocks and springs. Everything else looks clean. No signs of a radiator leak or anything. And again, I'm not seeing any rust. I'm not sure if this paint was original or not, but it's clean underneath. Coming along the passenger side, again, the wheels are brand new, 96 Vogues, new tires. All the trim underneath, the frame and the body straight. Wheel wells are solid. Get to the driver's side. Driver's side clean underneath, no rust, no dents. Same with this wheel well. And moving along the driver's side, again, whoever had this took good care of it, because I don't even see any like jack marks from where you put the jack under the car. So they took care of it for sure. All right, y'all, so if you're interested in this 70 Continental, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Also, make sure you check us out on Instagram and the website at Rolling Museums. And as always, appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.